In order to set up private space on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then we want to go to security and privacy. Over here in security and privacy, we should be able to go to the private space over here. If you have a password, then of course you need to verify yourself. Then we have the introduction to the private space, so we can tap on continue. Now we need to wait for the private space to be created. Then you have the option to either create a new password that is going to be used for that private space, or you can use the same password that you use for your phone in general, that you have set up for the screen lock. Now, if you decide to create a new password, then first we need to enter the current password of your phone. There we go. Then we have a reminder that we need to remember our password. If you forget it, you can only reset the private space through system settings, which will erase all photos, files, and other data. Now you can choose the password type that you want to use for the private space, and as you can see, all of these options also include the fingerprint. If you don't really want to include the fingerprint, if you don't want to set up fingerprint for the private space, then you can continue without fingerprint, and then you can choose once again the password type, but this time without the fingerprint. So I'm just gonna choose a pattern. I'm gonna use a slightly different pattern over here. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go, and now we need to wait once again. We are all set now, so we should be able to tap on done here in the bottom right corner. And then you will immediately open the private space. Now, in order to find the private space, once you are in the app drawer, you just want to swipe to the right side, like that. And then we need to enter our password, of course, in order to continue. And now we have our private space, where we can add and remove private files, so you can move files to this private space. You can also open the Chrome browser. We have private camera and private photos. Here in the upper right corner, we have some settings that you might want to visit. So you can, for example, edit private apps. So you can hide private space as well. So if you hide it, then you can access private space by searching private space in app drawer, and so on and so forth. And of course, we have private apps as well. Of course, if you press on add in here, then you can choose which apps should be added into the private space. So if I choose something like, I don't know, like TikTok, for example, there we go, then I can just open TikTok from here. And apps are moved. So whenever you decide to move the app to the private space, it's like hiding an app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.